Şimdi ne olacak? Göç mü tutacaksınız Hayme Ana?
Şimdi ne olacak? Göç mü tutacaksınız? Haymana. Now what will happen? Are you going to immigrate? Mother Hayma. Now here imdi, they used to say it as imdi instead of şimdi. Now we say şimdi, which is now. It means now. Ne olacak? What will happen? Olacak will happen. Ne is what? Göç mü tutacaksınız? Now here it means will you emigrate? Now you as plural you, that's why we use sınız because she's talking about they will emigrate, more than one person. Mu is the question, and göç alone means migration. So göç means migration. Haymana, her name Hayma, and Ana, they used to say it as mother for respect. Okay, so the meaning is in front of you.
Daha belli değildir kızım.
Daha belli değildir kızım. It's not clear yet, so she doesn't know if they will migrate or not. Daha yet, belli değil. It means not known. It's not for sure. Kızım, my child. It's like her daughter. She's not her daughter, but this is how they call each other.
Ona da günü gelince karar verilecektir.
Ona da günü gelince karar verilecektir. This too will be decided when the day comes. Ona da, this too, about what they are talking about. Da means also, the matter also, this matter also. Günü gelince. İnce means when. When the day comes. So gün means day, gel means come. When the day comes, karar verilecektir, will be decided. So we know karar vermek means to decide. This ecek, the ECEK ecek means will, the future. Karar verilecektir, will be decided, and the translation also will be this too will be decided when the day comes.
Obam her daim obanızdır.
Obam her daim obanızdır. My tribe is always your tribe. We said oba means tribe. The M is my for me, for the personal pronoun I. So my tribe. Her daim means always together. Obanızdır, your tribe. And the nız here for you, the plural you. Or also when she's speaking to her, it means it is used, this nız, it is used for respect.
Turgut Alp'le de konuştuk.
Turgut Alp'le de konuştuk. I spoke with Turgut Alp. Now Turgut is the name. Alp is the name that they used to give to the warriors of the tribes. Alp'le with Turgut Alp. The le means with. De also konuştuk, we spoke. But while translating, we don't say we spoke with Turgut Alp. No, I spoke with Turgut Alp too. This is how we use it in Turkish.
Eğer göç ederseniz, Turgut Alp, Alplerle birlikte burada kalmaya kararlıdır.
Eğer göç ederseniz Turgut Alp, Alplerle birlikte burada kalmaya kararlıdır. If you immigrate, Turgut Alp is determined to stay here with the Alps. Eğer göç ederseniz, see this se with ederseniz means if, and eğer also means if together. If you immigrate, and which we spoke about göç edersiniz or göç etmek, it passed before. Turgut Alp, we know his name. Alplerle with the other Alps, or let's say warriors this time, with the warriors birlikte together burada here kalmaya kararlıdır, are determined to stay here. Now kalmak means to stay. Kalmaya, because we have the kararlıdır, we use the a at the end of the verb. Kararlıdır are determined. From, as we said, karar means decision. Kararlıdır, kararlı means determined. So you can see the translation on the screen.
Dilerseniz hepiniz kalın.
Dilerseniz hepiniz kalın. If you wish, all of you can stay. So dilerseniz, see this se also. As I said, this is if, and we don't have to put eğer this time. We can remove eğer, but the se is, you have to put it. It means if. If you wish, dilerseniz. This is if you wish. Hepiniz, all of you, and then is also we said you, plural you. Kalın, stay. From kalmak, it passed before. Kalmak is to stay. Kalın, the n or ne at the end means all of you. Also can be used for respect.
Sizi obamda ağırlamaktan şeref duyarım.
Sizi obamda ağırlamaktan şeref duyarım. I would be honored to host you at my tribe. Sizi, you, as we said plural you, obamda, in my tribe, and the da here means in. We said the M is I, and oba tribe, in my tribe. Ağırlamaktan means host. Şeref duyarım. I am honored. This is how we say it. We cannot translate each word alone. So I would be honored to host you. So ağırlamaktan to host you at my tribe.
Hem bize güç verirsiniz.
Hem bize güç verirsiniz. You will also give us strength. Hem means also. Bize, to us, güç. Strong or strength. It means strength. Verirsiniz. You give. Okay, and it will be you will also give us strength. Siniz, as we said, is for the plural you, and we also use it for respect.
Allah razı olsun Aslan Hatun.
Allah razı olsun Aslıhan Hatun. Finally, it means God bless you Aslıhan Hatun. Allah razı olsun. If you're learning Turkish or live in Turkey, you know it means God bless you. And she said her name Aslıhan Hatun means woman. As or also it is like a lakab, a name used for women.